All right, first step is you place the tools on the platform like this. And what you're gonna do once we pull it, we're gonna drop it down. So we'll drop it down in there like that. We'll get our sheet and put it on the frame, and then drop the frame down and clamp it down. It's a 20 by 18 inch piece of plastic. Once it's clamped down, we can bring the heater over it, and we're going to put it there for about 80 seconds. And there's a countdown here on the screen. And once it gets to 80, we'll roll this back, and then we'll pull the lever back, bring the tool up into the plastic sheet, and then we'll suck the air out. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. As we do more of these, the heater will get hotter, so we may not have to go all the way to 80 seconds. But you'll see the plastic starting to kind of dip. And we can also tap it, and we can kind of see it jiggle. I think this is 020 or 030 polystyrene. So it's relatively thin. If we had a thicker piece, we'd want it to go longer. There's 70 seconds, 75. That's probably enough. So we're gonna go ahead and pull up the tool. What you're looking for is you want to have all the edges sucked down nice and neat, and it looks like those are pretty nice. And we're going to turn on the cooling fan just for half a minute, just to help it cool down, so we can handle it. Lift the frame up, and then we'll pop the tool out. You want to make sure there's a good draft on the tools, and so it's easier to get out. These have pretty good draft on them, so they pop out pretty easily. This one's ripping a little bit in the corner, but I think it'll be okay. Just kind of push them out. I should have had a little more draft on the sides. I don't think I have any draft, but there's tons of draft on the profile. So anyway, that's a 3D print, and then we'll set up for the next one, just like that.